Today in this video, we will see how to hide or unhide columns in Microsoft Excel. If for some reason, if you want to hide columns, then what you do is select those columns which you want to hide. So move your mouse pointer on the top of the column. You will see it turns into down arrow. Press and hold the left button of the mouse, and then press and hold the left button and continue to select the columns which you want to hide. So once you have selected the columns, there are two options to do this. Either you click on this format, then go to hide and unhide, and then click hide columns. This will hide the column, or else right click and then select hide. So now the columns are hidden. How do you know that the columns are hidden? You can see there is A and then there is D. There is no B and C. That means two of the columns are hidden. And now if you want to unhide the columns, just select the two columns in between which the other columns are hidden, and then again click on format, hide, unhide, and then select unhide columns. Or else what you will do, you will right click and then click on unhide, and then the columns will again reappear. So in this way you can hide or unhide columns in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.